Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80245006. That there were some problems while installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search for information, this may help, and then it'll give that following error message that I already read. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter. And I'd recommend following along with any on-screen potential solutions here. Just let it do its thing, basically. And then once it's done, I'd recommend closing out of all your open windows and restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully at this point, if you check for updates again, your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.